Welcome to Techeliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable automatically photo sharing option on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. So at first open up your Chrome browser and then open up Google Photos. Just click on this menu icon at the top right corner, then open up Photos and then click on this settings icon at the top right corner. From here scroll down a bit, then click on sharing option. Now from here just click on partner sharing. And you can see in my Google Photos partner sharing option is enabled and my partner can see all photos since 27 January. That's it. Now you can use two methods to disable photo sharing option with your partner. At first, if you click on these three dots and here you can see stop sharing your photos option. For the second method, just scroll down a bit and here you can see remove partner. So if I click here and then click on remove, now if I click on partner sharing option again, and that's it. You can see partner sharing option has been disabled successfully. And that is how you can disable automatically photo sharing option on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.